Yeah.
This is giving frontal, okay? But this is just a closure. The hair that I'm going to be using today in this video is from Alipearl, and we're going to unbox this beautiful wig. So it came like this. This is the box. And let me see. I'm going to go through the gifts that are in here, and then I'm going to go, and then we're going to see the hair. Let's see the gift first. So, ooh, okay. It comes with this head wrap. So I will be using this mainly at nighttime before I go to sleep, because like I like to keep my wig on for like a week or so. So I'm going to be using this to make sure my wig is intact for the week. So I'm going to be using this to sleep at nighttime, and it's silk as well. And I really like the material of this, and it seems like it's good quality. The next thing that it says Alipearl. And this also seems like it can be used to also sleep at nighttime. If you want to have your wig intact for the week or for the next day, you can use this. And you can also use this to lay your lace as well, and your baby hair as well. So which, this is very exciting, comes in handy. Like you literally just have to order the wig, and all of this comes with the wig. So it also comes with this elastic band, which I'm going to be using today to lay my lace. I'm going to be using this to melt my lace, and it's literally the perfect size of my head. How do they know that? But anyways, and they also have the silk. It also came with the silky blue this silky blue thingy, and I think this is to lay your lace and also lay your baby hair. Also comes with this pink Alipearl satin bag, which I love, because once I'm done with my wigs, I like to wash them and put them away for like whenever I want to wear them again. So this is really good to put your wigs in. I'm very glad it came with one of these, which is amazing. Also came with a wig cap. Definitely be using these in the near future. It came with two, so it comes with two of these. And they also gave me a brush, what's it called, an edge brush, which I'm going to be using today as well, because the one that I have is pretty old. So yeah, they really came in clutch. Is 180. So this is a closure. This is a 5x5 closure that I'm going to be installing today, and this is a HD lace also. So I'm very excited about this, and let's see what happens. So I did not bleach my knots. I don't really like bleaching my knots because I find it like it's a lot of work. And also, so this is 22 inches. So this is this beautiful hair. It doesn't really have a smell to it. It's so soft. I love curly hair, and this is a 5x5. This is a 5x5 closure instead of a frontal. And it already comes pre-plucked, so you don't really gotta pluck it. And I didn't bleach my knots. I'm gonna be using my foundation for the lace. I'm not bleaching my knots. And it's a transparent lace, so let's see. So I went ahead and applied my foundation onto my cap off camera. So now all I'm doing is applying my foundation on the closure part of the wig, and it's very self-explanatory, so you guys can see here what I'm doing. I'm just trying on the wig right now to make sure everything looks right, especially the foundation. I'm making sure it looks right. I'm making sure it matches my forehead, or you know, all the good stuff. As you can see, clearly as you can see, it's giving scalp. It's giving scalp. Look at that. Like, I can't. I'm like speechless. I'm speechless. So I'm getting ready to apply the glue, but before I apply the glue, I need to make sure I cut the lace. I don't know, I like cutting the lace before I apply my glue. I know some people like to do it the other way, but I like to cut my lace first before I apply the glue, so that's what I'm doing. I get so nervous cutting my lace because, I don't know, I just feel like I will mess it up. I have anxieties when I'm doing that. So as I'm cutting my lace, I'm trying to not do it in a straight line. I'm trying to do it in somewhat like a zigzag. But yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. But it's kind of hard. But you know, we got this. We got this. So I'm going to be using my Got To Be glue, which is the glue that I use for most of my install. I really don't use Ghost Bond or Bold Hold like that unless if like I need that wig to be like intact for like a week or so. So I'm just using my Got To Be glue for just like a, you know, a simple install. After the Got To Be glue, I like to go in with my olive oil super hold spray, and I find this very helpful. I really like using it because it just gives my wig that extra hold, if you know what I mean. So I'm gonna go ahead and just apply my lace on now while the glue is still wet, but it's tacky now, so now it's good. So now I'm just parting my baby hairs out of the way so I can just use the elastic band to melt my lace, but I want my baby hairs to be out the way. So I'm going to go ahead and pluck a little bit just because I feel like it needs a little bit of plucking. And also while I'm done plucking, I'm going to go ahead and use my wax stick to like just push the hair all back because I'm going to end up hot combing it. Because I'm doing a side part, so I want that part to be very like neat and slick. So as you can see, the wig is coming together. It's starting to look more like a sleigh. Like, you know, before it was looking like, you know, but now it's starting to come together. So now all I'm doing is using my hot comb, and I'm going to keep applying more hair wax because I need this part to be neat, like, and like, you know, like how I want it to be. But I think I'm gonna need a new hot comb. This hot comb is not working. It's not working good for me. Like, I need something that's gonna like freaking burn the hair off or something, like, you know. Okay, so now I took the elastic band off. Look at that melt. Look at that melt. Like, you have to look at that. Like, what? It looks really good. I love it like this. It looks really, really good. So now we're just gonna go ahead and do this baby hairs, okay? And we're not doing too much today. I like to do extra, but today we're not doing extra. We're just gonna do 2 swoops because, you know, it's a closure and we don't want to do too much. You know what I mean? We're trying to go for the natural look. Like I said, I'm gonna need to order a new hot comb. This is not working for me like the way I imagine in my head. But anyways, we're still gonna, you know, go ahead and continue doing what we're doing. So once I'm done hot combing the part, or like, you know, the front part of the lace, I'm going to be just using my water, just plain water, and my spray bottle, and we're just gonna spray the hair and just brush it out so the curls can pop and stuff like that. All the good stuff. This is the exciting part, my favorite part of all. So now that we're done defining our curls, we're gonna be going in with my powder to define the part of it. So I'm gonna be using my Maybelline Fit Me powder, and I'm going to be using a brush to define my part because I want the part to be really sharp. As you can see, I am speechless. Look at that beautiful hair, that beautiful install. I am so proud of myself because I accomplished this. Like, what? I bodied this hair. Look at this install. As you can see, I'm feeling myself too much, clearly. Why not? Look at that. This is giving frontal, okay? But this is just a closure, but it's giving frontal. So this is stops right here, and it stops literally below my boobs. And then this is the back of it. This is the finished product of it all. Everything is lit. I'm in love. I'm in love. Like, I haven't tried a closure in so long, so having a closure, it's so simple to install, which I really love. Check this hair out. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.